Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to get your student account set up and what you can see on the student dashboard. Why should you invite your students? Well, your students won't have to pay for an individual plan, and they will be able to benefit from all of the privileges that come with an education account. They will have access to songs and quizzes. With the access, your students can log into any device, from school devices to their own computers. This is great for group work, running online lessons, and assigning homework. For example, you can assign quizzes and songs. Last but not least, you can track their progress. How to get there? First, click on Students, and it will take you to the student dashboard. How do you invite your students? You can invite your students to Solfegio using the unique invite link. Just copy and paste it into your Google Classroom or any other learning management system.
You can also invite students by typing their emails here or importing them in a CSV format. Another option is to scan the QR code. It will take you to the Solfegio mobile app, where the students will be able to enter their unique invite code and join the class. Your students can choose the most convenient device for them to sign up on. Whether they sign up on web or mobile, they will get the access to the content on all devices and platforms. Once the students have registered, you can also divide them into multiple groups for your own convenience.
That's all. Go ahead and invite your students.